Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly,
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So we are back in our own house, in our own kitchen remodel. And yesterday we just got the cabinet. So I think last time, if you're following along, we were standing in an empty room. So we got the cabinets. Mike built this cloud ceiling.
Right, it's called a cloud ceiling. We
Drop
put
ceiling?
recesses in it. Before it was a typical 90s, 80s, 90s fluorescent lighting. So we ripped that out, put in a cloud ceiling.
Like
There'll be
a skylight.
yes, just the style back then. Recessed lights will have a vent hood drop over the new bigger island, which I know Molly's very happy with.
Yes, because bigger island, bigger cooktop.
More food for me.
Yes. We also have a larger sink, and it's a single bowl sink, and so it's just gonna.
It's all going to flow.
Great.
It's all going to flow. Obviously, like with all remodels, you're going to run into some issues no matter how much planning you do. In this particular case, you could look at one of our previous videos where I talked about the electrical that we had to completely redo. So that took some time, but that's
Yeah.
all worked out now. Some
That
of
was
the
a mess.
yeah, some of the selections Molly has right here. Here, I'll walk over
So
this
this-
way.
This is going to be the countertop for the island, and then we also have a bar, which is another part of this remodel, but we're not showing you right now. So that's going to go on the island.
See? Island.
Exclamation point. And then this is the perimeter countertops. I love soapstone, but I did not want soapstone because it scratches really easily. So this is a granite that replicates it. And I also got a sill granite sink. That's just a composite granite, which is awesome, and I like it to go away. So I got it the same color. And then this is the backsplash that's going to go throughout the kitchen. So it all is just coming together. Next thing is they come out and measure the countertops. After that, backsplash goes in.
Well,
Appliances before that.
Right. Then countertops, then backsplash, then some final touch-ups for electrical, painting, and what we call bump and adjust, which is just cabinet adjustments.
Yeah.
And then we'll start making our list of having home-cooked food again.
Yeah. We will get out of our laundry room and not using a hot kettle.
It's not bad.
It's like
I'm back in college.
College,
man.
yeah. It's college all
It's
over
awesome.
again. Yeah, except for the.
Yeah, which I still do.
So,
But there you go. There's our kitchen. So now we obviously sympathize with our clients.
Yeah. And there is definitely a process to this, which we're used to. We do it all the time.
Yeah.
So if you're looking to do a kitchen remodel, we can completely guide you through the whole process, simplify it, make it easy for you, help you with the selections, all that good stuff. So
There you go.
that is that.
Yep. Thanks for joining
So
us.
far.
If you want to learn more, look at our social media. That I'm not real good about that stuff, but Molly knows more about it than I do. And we'll see you next time.
Yeah. So like and then share with your friends and let them all know you want to do a kitchen remodel.
There you go. Thanks.
Thanks.